if you want to go live on TikTok with someone else in 2026 and do it the right way. This is exactly what you need, because going live with another person is one of the best ways to grow faster, increase engagement, and reach new audiences instantly. But a lot of people either can't find the option or don't know how to use it properly. So in this updated guide, I'll show you how to go live on TikTok with someone else step by step, plus the requirements and pro tips that actually make a difference. Let's get into it. First, what is going live with someone on TikTok? On TikTok, this feature is called Live Together or Multi-Guest Live. It allows you to start a live stream, invite another person to join, or even add multiple guests. So instead of going live alone, you turn it into a conversation, interview, or collaboration. Now, before we start, you need to meet the requirements. This is very important. To go live on TikTok in 2026, you typically need at least 1,000 followers. To be 18 years or older for some features like GIFs, a good account standing. If you don't meet these, the live option may not appear. Now let's go step by step. First step, open TikTok and go to the live screen. Tap the plus button. Swipe to the live option at the bottom if you don't see live. Now it means your account doesn't meet the requirements yet. Now second step, set up your live. Before going live, you'll add a title, choose a cover image, adjust settings if needed, make sure your title is clear and engaging. This helps people join. Now third step, start your live stream, tap Go Live. Wait a few seconds for TikTok to connect. And now you're live. Now fourth step, invite someone to join your live once you're live. Look for the invite or multi-guest icon, usually two faces. Tap it, now you'll see options to invite a friend, accept requests from viewers. Now fifth step, send the invitation, search for the person you want to go live with and send them an invite, or they can request to join your live. Once they accept, they appear on screen with you. Now you're officially live together. Now sixth step, manage your live session while live. You can add or remove guests, mute participants, interact with comments. You can even rotate guests to keep things dynamic. Now let's talk about something important. What if you can't invite someone? Common reasons. The other person doesn't have live access. Their app is outdated, connection issues, so make sure both accounts meet requirements, are updated, have stable internet. Now, let's talk strategy, because this is where growth happens. First, go live with people in your niche. This helps you reach the right audience. Second, plan your live. Don't just go live and see what happens. Have a topic. Q&A, interview, reaction, discussion. Third, engage with viewers. Ask questions. Respond to comments. The more interaction, the more TikTok pushes your live. Now, mistakes to avoid. Don't have poor audio or lighting. Stay silent for long periods. Ignore your audience because people will leave quickly. Now here's a pro tip. Promote your live before you start. Post a video or story saying when you're going live, who you'll be with. This increases your viewers from the start. Now let's quickly recap. To go live on TikTok with someone else in 2026, open TikTok and go to live. Set up your stream. Start your live. Tap the invite or multi-guest icon. Invite your guest. They accept and join, and that's it. Simple, but extremely powerful for growth. If this helped you, let me know. Who would you go live with first?